Okay, so yung projection natin dito kay Bitcoin. Okay, so ayan, in the daily perspective, so ay makikita naman natin, no, nanggaling yung push ni Bitcoin from this swing na to, nagkaroon ng impulsive move to the downside, and then after that is dito nagkaroon siya, nag-build up dito ng ganitong correction. Okay, so napaka-clear ng correction na to, no? So after completing this correction na to, next possible move na ina-anticipate ko rito is towards upside. Okay? So as long as na yung price is nasa above pa rin ng swing point na to or ng zone na to, still bullish pa rin ako dito kay Bitcoin. And kung makikita naman natin dito, no, internally nagkaroon dito ng structural break diyan sa structural high na yan, no? And right now, ito yung naging reference ng market ni Bitcoin, no, to create a pullback. Okay? So dito, yung pullback nga lang na ginawa niya is very impulsive. So after this impulsive move na to, expect a correction dito, and if ever na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng correction, so expect another push to the downside, and hopefully, no, hopefully magkaroon dito ng extreme mitigation sa zone na yan, and hopefully dito natin makitaan ng shift, no, from bearish to bullish. Okay? But overall, bullish pa rin ako dito kay Bitcoin. Okay? So, ang next possible move na tinitingnan ko rito after correction na to, after magprint dito ng possible correction, okay, konting push to the downside, then after that is I'll be looking for a long in this zone.